time to talk about the pancreas. And we know that the pancreas is located under the stomach, contains endocrine and exocrine cells. We've been looking at slides all week. And remember that the exocrine acinar cells form most of the gland. We were looking at acinar and central acinar cells. And these acinar cells secrete digestive enzymes into the small intestine. And the endocrine cells are contained in spherical bodies, pancreatic islets of Langerhans, and there are about 1 million scattered among the exocrine cells. Each of these islets contains 4 major cells. They are the alpha, beta, delta, and F cells. In the alpha cells you have glucagon, beta cells, insulin, delta cells, you have the somatostatin, which is the growth hormone, inhibiting hormone, and then F cells, which secrete pancreatic polypeptide, and some other digestive hormones discussed in the digestive chapter. Anyway, let's talk a little bit more about this. We're looking at the slide here. We can see alpha cells and beta cells, and in detail here we can just discuss the hormones of the pancreas, the structure, hormones, primary targets, and the effects. First, the alpha cells, glucagon, primary target, liver, adipose tissues, and the effects: mobilization of lipid reserves, glucose synthesis and glycogen breakdown in the liver, and elevation of blood glucose concentrations. Beta cells, insulin, we know this, primary targets all cells except those of the brain, kidneys, digestive tract epithelium, and red blood cells. And the effects here is the facilitation of uptake of glucose by cells, stimulation of lipid and glycogen formation and storage, decrease in blood glucose concentrations. Then the delta cells, which are the hormone here is somatostatin, primary targets, alpha and beta cells, digestive epithelium. What happens here is there is an inhibition of the secretion of insulin and glucagon. And finally the F cells, and this hormone is pancreatic polypeptide, primary target gallbladder and pancreas, possibly gastrointestinal tract. Effects: inhibits gallbladder concentrations, regulates production of some pancreatic enzymes, and may control nutrient absorption.